Namaste India. I'm CA Pranav Goyal, and today we are decoding a key provision of the income tax bill, an update that directly impacts professionals and businesses. We're talking about Clause 62, Maintenance of Accounts, which replaces the old Section 44AA of the Income Tax Act 1961. Here's what's important. All professionals and businesses are required to maintain proper books of accounts if their income crosses the prescribed threshold. The list of specified professions has been updated. IT professionals and company secretaries are now expressly included. On the other hand, authorized representatives and film artists have been removed from the list. And don't forget, books must be retained for 6 years. They should be maintained at your principal place of business or profession. This is a move towards greater clarity and compliance in record keeping. This is the Income Tax Bill 2025, and I am CA Pranav Goyal, helping you simplify tax one clause at a time. Jai Hind.